Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The price of gasoline jumps to a 4-year high tomorrow as Petrojam passes on higher prices for the fuel. Gasoline will rise by $1.32. The increase takes the ex-refinery price of the fuel to the highest it has been since April 2014. The price of regular diesel goes up by $1.46, while low sulfur diesel increases by $1.62. Kerosene increases by $1.49. The price of a litre of propane is going up by $2.22, while butane jumps by $1.64. President of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA, Metri Siaga, says soon high electricity costs will no longer be a complaint for manufacturers. Mr. Siaga, who was speaking at the latest RJR News Forum, says that's because manufacturers have reduced the impact electricity usage has on their bottom line.
Our energy rates have gone from about 42 cents per kilowatt hour down to about 25 cents per kilowatt hour. And, I encourage more and more people. There's financing out there to put solar systems in place. And you can get your electricity costs down even lower. LNG is now an option which a lot of manufacturing companies are using. And, I don't want us, I think, we are very close to being at the point where we can't use electricity as an excuse anymore.
The RJR Gleaner Communications Group has signed an agreement to acquire a significant stake in the popular e-commerce platform Gustasos Jamaica. The new venture with Gustasos will combine the benefits of consumer discount offers through Gustasos' popularly online technology with the expansive market reach of the RJR Gleaner Communications Group traditional media platform. RJR Gleaner Group CEO Gary Allen says the acquisition aligns with the group's digital strategy as well as its thrust to diversify income sources with complementary businesses over the next 5 years.
It's time for us to now start to build some new bridges and extend ourselves into some new areas of an exciting business prospect for the strongest media group in the English-speaking Caribbean. It's also the media group that has the most talented set of people that are ready to deliver new things from a traditional media base.
He says this is one of a series of announcements the company is hoping to make in the short to medium term. Gustasos features more than 1 million subscribers in the Caribbean. Last year, Gustasos Jamaica helped local merchants achieve sales of more than $124 million. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.42. The Canadian dollar traded at $97.43. The pound sterling cost $170, while the euro is going for $151.76. Now, the JSE index broke the 300,000 points barrier today after rising by 620 points. The junior market index lost 24. Stocks posting gains included Access Financial, Carib Cement, GUS Corporation, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Panjam, Sterling Investments, and VM Investments. Among those losing were Blue Power Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Lasco Financial, Sagicor Group, and Wisinco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.